I have here a Red Ryder BB gun made by Daisy. Did some research and supposedly it shoots BBs, obviously, at 350 feet per second. And it says it's reasonably accurate at 30 feet. I don't know what reasonably accurate means. So I'm going to take 10 shots at this target here at 25 feet and we'll see what happens. Set the camera up here. Step back to the target. I will be shooting off a standing rest and we'll see what happens. Well, if I counted right, that was 10 shots. We can see that's about consistently 2-inch circle, more or less. I guess that's reasonably accurate. That makes it hard to put out a candle consistently. But I could steady myself a little more and get a little better with some practice. Anyway, remember, the Bible says be diligent in your faith and add virtue, knowledge, and self-control as well as more. God bless you and have a good day.